I have purchased a second-hand car. This is a BMW Mini R50 model, with a 1.6 petrol engine. As you can see, it is missing the driver's side mirror cover. It is also missing part of the wheel arch trim. There are certain rules when buying a used car. Rule number 1. Change the oil and oil filter. This is the lifeblood of the car. Firstly, remove the oil filler cap. Remove the drain plug. Remove oil filter. Install new oil filter. Make sure to install new seal and lubricate it. Fit drain plug back onto the oil sump. Refill with the engine oil recommended in your owner's manual. Check oil level. Reset service light indicator. Press and hold the trip button. Insert key and turn to position 1. Watch for reset to appear. Release the button, then press and hold it again. Wait for the reset to flash. Release the button, and then press once more. Service interval should then be reset to next interval.